Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers here in bright, sunny Junction City, Oregon. What a great day to be outside. Of course, we're over by the detail and the service area. Got a fresh trade I want to share with you. 2017 Winnebago Travato 59K. It's just not okay. It's really great. 13,800 miles. Come on in and take a look. So they've got two models. One's a G, and this is a K. The K has twin beds in here, as you can see. Solar panels rocking away. Generator's got 6 hours on it. Starts right up. This is still waiting to go through the shop because we check everything on all our trades. All the appliances work. It's got Truma heating for the furnace and for your water. You got vents throughout the unit. You can switch it from being real aggressive on heating the water or switch over the other way. Just it kind of depends on what you want to do. Rear doors close together here in the back. We'll go outside and take a look at the bathroom. Headrests raise up and down here. You do have two cushions that you can take this table right here and put in between and fill in this gap. But how are you going to get up? Most everybody just leaves them as twins, and that way you can get in and out quite easily. There is storage underneath here. Two table legs. You can put the cushions down here, or it's a good spot to put your collapsible chairs. Windows slide open, they're screen, got MCD pull down shades all throughout. And of course the newer models have a different window trim. This is a 17, a much lower price point, of course. Low miles. They even upgraded the TV set. So this does have a swing arm that brings it out and turns it both ways, and it even gets out in the side doorway. So if you had your awning out, you could watch a game or something out there. Plenty of coverage space. The owner's packets right here. Nice storage all down the side, and you've got locks on every one of them. Keep them from opening up. Heavy duty hinges. Going down the passenger side. Good storage throughout here as well. Got a little space for a cubby in here. DVD player. Entertainment center, USB ports. This is a sensor. This is to turn your propane on and off. Your lights are white or blue, depending on if you want reading light or a night light to be soft on the eyes. Electrical outlets at the end of the kitchen area. Nice deep sink. Here's the little plugs that, oh, I covered them up. Plugs go in the holes where the table legs go. Compressor refrigerator, 110 and 12 volt, very efficient, and it's real easy. And when you're trying to level a unit, you don't have to have it as accurate as a propane model. Recessed two burner stove, igniter up here, on and off valves. This glass is to just deflect heat. Down below, convection microwave, and of course, when you're dining, this person's got this table on the countertop. What a great open floor plan. And then over here, this one flops out with the chair back a little bit. You got a nice space here to work, computer, or to have lunch. Electric awning, air conditioner. Up above is a fantastic fan. Over here is a digital TV antenna, which helps signal strength if you're not out in the Tule berries and not plugged into cable. Let's go around outside. We do have a power step. It slides in and out with a control here. Electric awning up above. You got a patio light here. Outdoor speakers. This is for your awning arms to go into if you want to secure them to the side. You have cable hookup, 12 volts, 110. You could bring a TV out, hook it up, and watch TV out here as well as over there. It's got a full cover that comes with it. A bicycle rack. They didn't use it, so they took a lot of the arms off. Power cord adapter. Here's the arms for the bike rack and a screen, a shower curtain. Nice closet in here. Take a look at that. Plenty of hanging space. Medicine cabinet. Sink. That way it's up out of the way when you're not using it, but you've got a nice sink. Little spray nozzle here for cleanup. Very nice shower nozzle with on and off. Once you get it set, you can turn it off, scrub, and turn it back on and rinse off. You got to make sure you don't hit yourself with the bike rack. Backup camera is right up here. It does have a hitch. It's got a fairly low towing capacity, but 6-cylinder front-wheel drive. Plates are current. This is your black water flush. Caution sign says if you turn this on, you better have the dump valve open, or it might fill up the tank in your toilet and make a mess. That's why they have a caution sign there. Generator exhaust is here. Your dump. The Truma exhaust and intake is there. It's not real hot, unlike the other ones. Tank fill. And this is city water if you're parked someplace and working off a bib. Sewer hose goes in here. 110 cable hookup. Propane fill's easy to get to, and you've got a switch down here as well. Takes regular gasoline, 15 miles per gallon. I drove it from here to Portland to 197 to 97 and ended up in Bend. About a 7-hour drive because the pass was out for transporting for a show. I got 15 miles per gallon the whole trip. One nice thing about a Dodge Pro Ram chassis is the mirrors. So these mirrors, the top mirror and the bottom mirror, adjust separately. Then you've got a button to push and both mirrors fold in. So if you get in a tight spot, don't have to worry about somebody jerking your mirror off and damaging it in that situation. I know you must have a question. Well, why don't you just call the van guy? My number is 541-554-9581. My email's at the bottom of the screen. I look forward to talking to you. Thank you for your interest.